Hello all, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it so you will get a notification of all upcoming video. Our running chapter is computer and communication. In our previous lecture, we have discussed the wired network and wireless network. Today we will discuss the transmission mode where we will see simplex, duplex and half duplex. First we will see the transmission mode, means transferring of data between two devices. It is also known as communication mode. Buses and networks are designed to allow communication to occur between individual devices that are interconnected. So in Hindi what we can say, वह डायरेक्शन जिस पर डेटा या इंफॉर्मेशन एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर ट्रांसमिट होती है ट्रांसमिशन मोड कहलाती है। यह सूचना के फ्लो होने की दिशा को इंडिकेट करता है। इसे कम्युनिकेशन मोड भी कहते हैं। So there are three types of transmission mode. First is simplex mode, second half duplex mode, third full duplex mode. Now we will see one by one. So first is simplex mode. In simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional as on a one-way street. As you can see in the figure, only one of the two devices on a link can transmit, the other can only receive. The simplex mode can use the entire capacity of channel to send data in one direction. और अगर हम हिंदी में कहें तो सिंप्लेक्स का अर्थ है कि कम्युनिकेशन केवल एक ही दिशा में होगा, अर्थात सेंडर केवल डेटा को सेंड कर सकता है, रिसीव नहीं कर सकता। So the example of simplex is keyboard and traditional monitors. The keyboard can only introduce input. The monitor can only give the output. And another example is radio, TV transmission, remote. Now we have a half duplex mode. In a half duplex mode, each station can both transmit and receive, but not at the same time. When one device is sending, the other can only receive and vice versa. Which means half duplex में हम दोनों दिशाओं में डेटा को सेंड तथा रिसीव कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एक समय में केवल एक ही दिशा में, अर्थात इसमें एक ही समय में सेंड या रिसीव दोनों कार्य नहीं हो सकते। इस मोड को कभी कभी सेमी डुप्लेक्स भी कहते हैं। So the half duplex mode is used in a cases where there is no need for communication in both direction at the same time. The entire capacity of the channel can be utilized for each direction. So this is one of the advantages. So in the figure you can clearly see that one device is sending and the other can only receiving the data. So the example of half duplex mode is walkie-talkie, in which message is sent one at a time and message are sent in both the directions. Which means walkie-talkie में एक समय में केवल एक ही व्यक्ति बात कर सकता है। Now we have a third type, full duplex mode. In a full duplex mode, both stations can transmit and receive simultaneously. Which means इसमें हम डेटा को एक ही समय में सेंड भी कर सकते हैं तथा रिसीव भी कर सकते हैं। ये सबसे तेज डायरेक्शनल मोड होता है। So in this mode, signals going in a one direction share the capacity of link with signals going in one direction. This sharing can occur in two ways. Either the link must contain two physical separate transmission paths, one for sending and other for receiving, or the capacity is divided between signals traveling in both directions. सो फिगर में आप क्लियरली देख सकते हैं कि जो लिंक है उसने दो फिजिकल सेपरेट ट्रांसमिशन पाथ्स कंटेन किया हुआ है, एक सेंडिंग के लिए और दूसरा रिसीविंग के लिए। सो हम कह सकते हैं कि फुल डुप्लेक्स मोड इज यूज व्हेन कम्युनिकेशन required in both direction all the time. The capacity of channel, however, must be divided between two directions. And the example for this is telephone network, in which there is communication between two persons by a telephone line through which both can talk and listen at the same time. मीन्स टेलीफोन कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है जहां दो व्यक्ति एक ही समय में एक दूसरे से बात कर सकते हैं। So here we covered simplex mode, half duplex mode and full duplex mode. Thank you.